What's good, guys? Zay Spit, and today we did a full body calisthenic exercise. So we did 10 pull-ups, 10 dips, 10 leg raises, 20 push-ups, and 20 jump squats.
Alright, so here we did 10 pull-ups. Let me wide grip. Gotta keep that back straight. You know what I'm saying? Legs in front of you, keep your core tight. Type shit. Then we do 10 leg raises. And when you're doing the 10 leg raises, just make sure you're pulling your back as well. To keep your core tight. And keep your toes pointed. Then I did a muscle up into the dips. Everything is on the same bar. So yeah, we did 10 dips. Easy style. Let's see, honey. 20 push-ups. Keep your core tight, shoulders back. Keep the pressure on your chest. I really try to focus on my form for also. Yeah. And 20 jump squats. Jump squats I low-key be bullshitting, but like, you get the gist. And this should help you with your hops too. Like, if you want to get some hops, definitely get in tune with the jump squats. This is for your entire legs, your calves, your hamstrings, your quads, everything. And then did chin-ups for the next set. This is the second set, 10. Like biceps and back, easy style. And also forearms too. When you're keeping your thumbs on the bar, like you do a grip where you're gripping with your thumbs, that works on your forearms as well. So it's a gem right there. Back to the muscle ups. Muscle up to the dips. Easy money. Then back to the push-ups. Well, push-ups, sometimes I'll put my scapula back. Sometimes I'll leave them forward. Just because, like, sometimes I get, like, I feel like my whole chest when I put my shoulders forward. Which you're supposed to have your scapula back. But to each his own. That shit, and we get money. Back to the jump squats. As you can see, I'm barely lifting off the ground because these shits is devious. This is good money though, for sure. Skate. Yeah. Ow. Balls. Then we do a wide grip. I try to change the variations on everything that I'm doing, for the most part. Because I try to do all the most effective for all the body parts. Back to the leg raises, and you can see like I'm pushing my back. Like, keep the legs in front, pointed, easy style. Yep. Back to the muscle up, dips. And with dips, like you see my wrist, like I try to keep my wrist on top of the bar rather than like my wrist bent. Cause if you know, you know. It's hard to explain everything, but like if you see me fidgeting and stuff when I'm doing stuff, like I try to do perfect form. Cause you do perfect form, that's when you see the best results. Easy style. Jump squats. Try doing 100 jump squats in a row. That shit is crazy. It's pain. Pain party. Invitation only. It's easy style though for me. Get money. And do the close grips, pull-ups. Like I said, change the variations. And as you can see, my body's like at a slant. So like, this shit hits. That shit hits like, by like where your rib cage is at, like right underneath your underarm. Like that shit hits. And leg raises again. Leg raises is the most effective for your core. There's nothing else beating that. Crunches, sit-ups, no. Leg raises. Back to the dips. It's easy style. And I'm actually no glove game, but for the sake of the video, I put the gloves on just so I could just 100% execute everything that I was doing. Push-ups. Like, see, I'm fidgeting and stuff because I'm trying to get that perfect form. That's why I love working out in the mirror. It shows you your perfect form. Back to the jump squats. Jump squats is easy money. It's not easy money, but it's most effective for your legs. And cardio too. Even though I hate cardio. I'm trying to gain weight, not trying to lose it. And then we do behind the head pull-ups. I don't really like these, but for the sake of the video, I just did them. But like these hit your traps crazy. Back to the leg raises. Bow, 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 bow. Those are way easier than they look. Like it looks like that shit is hard, and it's really not that hard. You just gotta know how to do them. Dips. Easy. Wow. Diamonds. Like as you can see, look, I'm fidgeting and stuff, but I'm trying to get that perfect form. And you are supposed to do them, like you see my back is bent right there. As you can pose. As you can see, like I have my head down. Like when I have my head up, like it feels weird. But when I have my head down, like it feels like I'm hitting the middle of my chest. Because that's what diamonds are for. To hit the middle of your chest. And this is the last set of jump squats. You can see I tried to jump higher and stuff. Try to finish with a bang. With a boom boom. Bow, bow, bow.